This dash cam. It's a Pelsee. Too long, bro. Like, I'm a mechanic since 2005. Sticking the camera down in the middle. We're gonna try and make the cables tidy. Up around the airbag. Tight. It's gonna really get away from it. So you got 3 settings. You can have it on 12 volts, 12.4 volts, 12 volts, or 11.6 volts. The toggle that you choose decides on when the dash cam will power off. So at 12.4 volts, anything less than 12.4 volts means that the dash cam will turn off. So if you got a bad battery, for example, and it was dropping voltage, and you had it on 11.6 volts, the dash cam will continue to work until it read 11.6 volts, and any lower than that, it would then turn off. Okay, so I've got this red and yellow cable, and I've got to find a fuse for the red and one for the yellow. The yellow is permanently live and the red is ignition fed fuse.
start your car. Get this, £6.99 on the app.
That's good then. That's a good test, isn't it? There you go, so it's on your phone now.
So where's the back?
On the back, let me see, press this one. That's record, that's the back.
Okay, so what about when I turn off the engine, it will still work?
It will still record, but you won't be able to view this from in the house. You'll have to view this only whilst in the car, because this connects to the Wi-Fi connection here. So as far as the car can reach your Wi-Fi, you can connect, but I think it will only connect when your ignition is on anyway.
So I can't attach it to my the internet on my phone so that it can stay there, because I've got unlimited internet, so it's always connected.
This would need to have unlimited internet.
So how do I do that?
I don't know if this model has the facilities. The models of dash cam that you can view at 24 hours, they'll have like a SIM card that you can put in.
But it came with a SIM, didn't it?
No, just SD card.
Okay then. So I'll have to go and check. I'll have to go and check, because I would like to have 24. So because when I go away, I want the car to be secure when I'm not here. It
would be recording, but it will be overwriting itself. But what I'm saying is, you won't be able to just log into your phone and watch it from wherever you are. You'll have to be at the car to view it. But it will always be recording.
So so let me just understand. So when I've turned off the car, it's gonna record everything no matter what, because you've hardwired in.
I'm so sorry that I forgot to record what the camera looked connected at the back of the car. But guys, if this video was even slightly useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any tips to pass on to just this helpful video for recreational purposes only, please leave them in the comments. Thank you very much.